Grazie.
So we're just trying to get through some police roadblocks now. And as we head further north, the rain keeps coming down. That's bad news. You see here by the side of the road some damage. We just saw a small landslip that a car had gone down. And we're told that further up this road, along this road, we're going to find a bridge that has collapsed. It's making conditions around here very difficult for people and difficult for the emergency services to get around. There's been so much rain in the last 36 hours, unheard of normally in this part of the world. One official called it apocalyptic. Another said that really this was an event the likes of which they don't normally see, certainly haven't seen for decades.